Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Hello, I would like to wish a very happy birthday to the House of Experiment, to Hišo eksperimentov. It's been an institution that's been extremely important to me, that has truly changed my life in many, many ways, professional ways, personal ways, that has been an example for me in many regards, in the way it was run, in its creativity, in its level of quality. So I have to say that especially the Znansfestival has been something truly amazing for me. I'm just eager to go back to the Znansfestival as soon as it comes back. So I wish a wonderful birthday to Hišo eksperimentov and a long, long and prosperous life to this institution. Thank you so much, Hišo, and see you very soon.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.